Always unplug the oven and let it cool before replacing the light bulb. Only use a 25-watt, 120-volt G9 oven bulb. First, remove the wire rack from the oven before replacing the light. You'll notice the light is positioned on the left-hand side of the oven cavity. Position your fingers on the outside of the light housing and gently pull the glass cover away from the oven wall to remove it. If you can't pull the cover off, grab a spoon. Slide it into the left side of the light housing and gently lever the glass cover off. Always hold the glass cover with the other hand to prevent the cover from falling and breaking. Remove the light bulb by gently yet firmly pulling it out of its holder. Use a soft cloth to insert the new bulb into the holder. Do not directly touch the surface of the bulb with your fingers, as your natural skin oils can damage the bulb. Reattach the glass cover by aligning the metal hook with the left-hand side of the light housing. Slide the opposite end of the glass cover into the metal bracket on the right side of the housing. Finally, push the metal hook into the left side of the housing until it's secure.